Hello, Cosmic Explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the mysteries of the universe and beyond. Today, we're honored to share incredible insights from the renowned Andromedan contactee, Alex Collier. But before we get started, if you're passionate about expanding your cosmic consciousness and discovering the universe's secrets, hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up. This helps us reach more truth seekers like you. Also, remember that we host a live webinar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, so be sure to visit the link in the description for more information. But for now, here's today's video.
You're back to Commander. We are unfathomably grateful to you, Commander Alex, for your relentless, not resentful tenacity, for your relentless tenacity that drives your being unstoppable in your contribution to humanity. Oh, lots of syllables there. Our gratitude to you is beyond measure. You very recently briefly mentioned that we will have available to us help, mentoring from off-world entities supporting our various efforts to rebuild our civilizations. How might we be proactive in establishing those working stroke nurturing relationships? Asks Richard Zambito.
Richard, that's a great question. It's going to be a process. It's going to be a process. And generally, that process is something like this. There's an introduction. There is spending time. There's conversation. There's give and take. There is a process in which trust is built between both races. It's not the words, it's the actions. And at some point, there will be enough trust, enough open dialogue where both sides are extremely comfortable that we will begin the process of mentoring. Now, there is mentoring already occurring with Solar Warden, the Alliance, etc. There has been. But to take it to the masses is a completely different thing. Because one, we're extremely paranoid. Two, the full level of the betrayal of humanity hasn't fully come out yet, and that's going to cause a wound, a bruise in humanity. And we're going to have time to process that, and then to want to move forward. But that moving forward has to be initiated by us, humanity. We have to be all in on this. We have to recognize that what we have is each other. Now, to the first part of your question or statement, I love us. I love humanity. I recognize the bravery and the courage of everyone who's here and how hard they have worked and the depths of sorrow that each of us through different lifetimes have had to experience. And no matter how bad things get, we always have hope of good things, of light, of goodness. And we continue to have children because we believe in that hope and that faith of goodness, that we will overcome any obstacle. And even they tried to take that away from humanity, the ability to bear and to create children. But they can't. But they didn't. They didn't. I love us. And that courage comes from not only many lifetimes here, but it's a knowing. It's a knowing that connects us all the way back to source, to creator, to great spirit.
I feel like healing codes are being released over Earth. Are the dark devices used against humanity being dismantled? And is this part of the liberation plan? Will humanity be totally restored to the original blueprint perfect design? How brilliant would that be?
That would be magical, though I don't really care for that word, magical. Essentially, there is so much higher frequency coming from our star and other stars around us that this technology no longer even works, and it's at full capacity. Now, as far as returning us to the original blueprint, yeah, that would be awesome, especially for future generations. But understand something. Everything is being upgraded. Everything is being upgraded. So even if we were returned to our original state, we're still being upgraded. So where the upgrades ends, nobody knows.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the cosmos. We hope Alex Collier's insights have inspired you to look beyond the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. We do read all the comments. Your feedback helps us create better content and brings us closer as a community of truth seekers. Together we can make a difference. Let's spread the light, expand our consciousness, and continue exploring the wonders of the universe. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up. If you would like to see the Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.